So if you want to transfer your file, if you want to transfer file from your iPhone, if you want to transfer file from your iPhone to your laptop, or you want to transfer file from your phone to laptop, watch this video to the end. What you need first is your cable, your USB cable. So what you do now is you insert it. You can see. You insert it. Then you insert it to your phone. You insert it to your phone. Laptop here will show you that something connected. You can see it here. You can see it here, something connected. So this thing will appear in your phone, telling you to allow or disallow. You allow it. It will not tell you to put your password. So I'm going to put my password. After putting your password, you go to your laptop. You press Ctrl E. Once you press Ctrl E, it brings it to this place. Then you check. You go to iPhone. You can see iPhone. You can see Apple iPhone. Then you click on it. See, this is my Apple iPhone now. You click on it. So when you click the profile, this thing will come out. So let's just select any folder here. So here you can see my videos and pictures here already. So what we are going to do is we look for the video that we want. Let me say you need you want this. Let's say you want this video. You right click, you copy. After copying, you go to video or any folder you want to save it. You come to a open space, then you Control V. You see the thing has installed by itself. You can see the video here. So let's play it to confirm. You see the video played. So that is how you transfer file from your iPhone to your laptop. Thank you.